Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Alright, so 5 websites you should never stay logged into. Staying logged into websites is convenient, but some accounts are worth signing out when you're done, especially if they hold sensitive data or connect to lots of other parts of your life. So here's 5 websites I personally wouldn't stay logged into for longer than necessary. Okay, so first up is your email account. Whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or Proton Mail, your inbox usually connects to everything. Password resets, bank alerts, shopping receipts, private conversations, linked accounts. So if someone gets access to your email, they can often reset access to everything else. On your own private device, staying signed in may be fine, but on shared devices or browsers you don't fully trust, sign out when you're done. Okay, so next, your banking or financial accounts. This one's obvious but worth saying. So online banking, investment platforms, payment apps, don't leave these open in a tab all day, and avoid saving login details directly in your browser if you can help it. A locked session is safer than a forgotten tab sitting open, especially on laptops or shared computers. Okay, so now we've got your Google account dashboard. A lot of people stay logged into Google constantly, and for convenience, this makes sense. But remember what's tied to one Google account. You've got your Gmail, you've got YouTube, you've got your Drive, you've got your photos, you've got search history and account settings. That's a lot in one place. So if you use multiple browsers, some people keep Google signed in only in one browser and stay logged out elsewhere. That's a simple privacy habit to have. Social media accounts, Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok. When you stay logged in all the time, those sites can stay connected to more browsing activity and notifications. Signing out regularly isn't required, but it reduces passive exposure and keeps old sessions from lingering, especially on browsers you use for other things. Shopping accounts with saved payments. Amazon, eBay, Temu. Um, Online stores with your card saved is convenient, but if someone gets access to your browser or even just opens the wrong tab, you may have active payment methods ready to go. So it's definitely worth thinking about. And that's it. Convenience matters, but a few quick signouts can reduce exposure and protect the accounts that matter most. A good simple rule to follow is if the account controls money, recovery access, or personal data, don't leave it open longer than you need to. And if this video helped you and you want to see more simple privacy guides, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.